Hey Michael, I've been looking into Linux operating systems, and it seems like there are so many of them. Can you help me understand the different types and their uses? Absolutely. Common Linux distributions, or distros, are varied because the Linux kernel is open source and customizable. Each distro is a combination of the Linux kernel with different software, desktop environments, and package management systems. Let's break down some of the major categories in popular distros. Let's start with the basics. What are the main categories of Linux distros? Sure. Broadly, Linux distros can be categorized into several types. General-purpose distros, these are designed for everyday use and come with a wide range of pre-installed software. Examples include Ubuntu, Fedora, and Debian. Rolling release distros, these are continuously updated, meaning you get the latest software and features without needing to do major upgrades. Arch Linux and Manjaro fall into this category. Enterprise distros, these are built for business and server environments, focusing on stability and long-term support. Red Hat Enterprise Linux, RHEL, CentOS, and SUSE Linux Enterprise are key examples. Specialized distros, these are tailored for specific tasks like security testing, multimedia production, or lightweight systems. Examples include Kali Linux, Ubuntu Studio, and Puppy Linux. Lightweight distros, these are designed to run on older or less powerful hardware. Examples are Lubuntu and Xubuntu. Educational and scientific distros, these are optimized for educational purposes or scientific research. Examples include Ubuntu and Scientific Linux. That's quite a variety. Can we dive deeper into each category? Sure thing. Let's start with general-purpose distros. These are the most commonly used and are great for everyday tasks. Ubuntu, it's one of the most popular and user-friendly distros. It's based on Debian and comes with a wide range of software pre-installed. It also has regular updates and long-term support (LTS) releases which are supported for 5 years. Fedora, known for its cutting-edge technology and frequent updates. Fedora is backed by Red Hat and is often used to test new technologies before they are included in Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Debian is known for its stability and robustness. It's the base for many other distros, including Ubuntu. It's used in both desktop and server environments. What about rolling release distros? Rolling release distros are great for users who want the latest software without reinstalling or upgrading every few years. Arch Linux. This is a minimalistic distro that gives you complete control over your system. It's aimed at more experienced users who enjoy customization. The Arch Wiki is an invaluable resource for users. Manjaro. Based on Arch, Manjaro provides a more user-friendly experience with pre-configured settings and easier installation. It aims to combine the power of Arch with accessibility for newcomers. And what about enterprise distros? Enterprise distros focus on stability, security, and long-term support, which is crucial for business and server environments. Red Hat Enterprise Linux, RHEL, it's a commercial distro with professional support and services. RHEL is widely used in corporate environments and has a strong emphasis on stability and security. CentOS. CentOS was a free alternative to RHEL with similar features and performance, but it has now transitioned to CentOS Stream, which is a rolling release version that sits between Fedora and RHEL. SUSE Linux Enterprise, another enterprise-grade distro known for its reliability and support. SUSE is often used in enterprise environments and has a strong focus on scalability and management tools. What can you tell me about specialized distros? Specialized distros cater to specific needs and tasks. Kali Linux. This is designed for penetration testing and ethical hacking. It comes with a suite of security tools and is used by cybersecurity professionals. Ubuntu Studio. This is aimed at multimedia production. It includes a wide range of software for audio, video, and graphic design. Puppy Linux. Known for its lightweight nature, Puppy Linux is designed to run on older hardware or as a portable OS on a USB stick. It's fast and efficient. And what about lightweight distros? Lightweight distros are perfect for older hardware or systems with limited resources. Lubuntu. Based on Ubuntu, Lubuntu uses the LXQT desktop environment, which is light on resources while still being user-friendly. Xubuntu. Also based on Ubuntu, Xubuntu uses the XFCE desktop environment, which offers a balance between performance and a traditional desktop experience. Lastly, can you tell me about educational and scientific distros? These are tailored for educational and research purposes, At Ubuntu, this is an Ubuntu-based distro aimed at schools and educational environments. It includes educational software and tools for both students and teachers. Scientific Linux. Based on Red Hat Enterprise Linux, Scientific Linux is used in academic and research settings. It's designed for scientific computing and includes a variety of scientific and mathematical software. This is fantastic information, Jordan. It really helps to see the range of options available. I think I'll start exploring some of these to find what best fits my needs. Glad to hear that, Alex. Don't hesitate to ask if you have more questions or need further advice as you explore the different Linux distros.